What's going on, guys? Mustang Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an install video, X-pipe. So SR Performance X-pipe on the Mustang. And also we're going to be doing a muffler delete and, you know, some good tips. I don't know what tips yet, but we'll go ahead and show those after, obviously. Currently what I have, BBK shorty headers, ROUSH cold air intake, and that's pretty much it. So it should sound pretty good. Hopefully it helps one of you guys out there. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video.
The car all jacked up. You know, put it pretty high. So I'm under here thinking, because I don't want to do, you know, too much, think about it too much, I guess. So I'm just gonna worry about the X pipe right now. Boom, get that out of the way. Once I get that done, then I'm gonna move over here to the muffler. So yeah, this is the stock one. We got clamps in the front. I'll let you guys know in a second what size they are. I believe they're like a 15. So yeah, once I get that clamps off, we'll get this guy off. We got some hangers right here we gotta remove. And yeah, I'll let you guys know the sizes right now on them. And then we got one here, and same for the other side. So I used a ratchet extender, you know, the longer ones, with the socket 15, and I broke them loose. Now I got my impact. I'm gonna attach my socket. It should come off easier. All I did, just so you guys can see, was just pry them open just like that. That way they're loose, just like that. So now I'm going to remove the hangers. Let it focus. Hold on. There it goes. So these two are 13 millimeter socket, and so is that guy right there. So I'm gonna take out these 4 bolts, and she should come out. So I got those removed, and when I was under here, I did notice. I don't know how I didn't see it, but there's one there, and there's one up there as well. Should be both 13s. I got all 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and another 2 here, and I got the clamps off already, so it should just pop off. Like that.
Okay, so I got it off. I got the X pipe, you know, going on, just to kind of see where I'm going to cut, how I'm going to go up on this. So I've seen a couple of videos, and I've seen people from here that measure about 4.5 or whatever, cut it, and I guess just clamp it on. But no video really showed exactly, you know, if
my question is if this pipe slides in here or if it's just butt up against here and the clamp goes over. So that's what I was kind of, you know, I wanted to know, but no one made a video about it, so I'm making a video about it. So okay, so from there measured out 38 inches. Okay, so this is my reference point of, you know, where the X pipe is actually gonna come up to. So what I'm thinking is use the method I seen on YouTube. From here, come out about 4.5, cut that, and hopefully this goes inside here. That way, you know, we could have some sort of adjustment. And if not, worst case, then, you know, I know where it's gonna be. We cut it, and it'll be just butt up to here, clamp around there. But just from looking at it and like putting my hand around the exhaust, this one does seem bigger than factory. So I'm hoping and assuming that this is going to go inside. So that should work out pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and measure here, 4.5, and cut. Alright, so now I cut it, and so the pipe is smaller than this X pipe, so it does go in. So it does go in, and then you could adjust it, and then you have your clamp over it. Now I'm gonna use this drill with a little sandpaper grit, and, you know, just clean up the edges a little bit. Get all this out. This is after, this is before. Little detail. There it is. So where I marked this at, you're gonna want this to line up here. So what you want? Can you take that out? Okay, that way it could be. This is all gonna go inside that pipe. That way it's pretty much, you know, close to factory measurement. And then can you measure this one?
Yeah.
I don't think we're lying.
What, the 7?
Yeah.
So about,
About 7. This one's pretty closer to 7.
yeah, that one's right on there.
No, about 7 inches, about that. So okay, so what I did was I cut all around the pipe and then banged it in a little bit because I noticed that it was kind of a big gap
For relief?
yeah, for relief and stuff. So now we're gonna bang it in, and it should close it up a little better. And then with this clamp, it will, you know, be really secure. So yeah, that's what I had to do all around. Alright, so I tried, when I did this, I thought this was gonna work with the clamp, but clamp didn't end up working. Still ended up being a gap right about here. So we're gonna have to just fucking weld it. Had it all tacked up underneath, so now I have it pretty much where exactly I want it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start welding. Ow. So I ended up taking my car to the muffler shop. Figured it was gonna save me a lot more time and money. The reason why I took it, main reason, is because the angle of the exhaust was really tricky, so I didn't want to mess with it. So I just took it in, got it done, came out great, you know, tips perfectly aligned, and overall was really happy with it. So I do recommend you guys do the same. That way it comes out, you know, perfect.